A spoken command, "Find Italian restaurants near me that are open now," instantly triggers a cascade of digital logic. While your hands are covered in flour, your voice has connected you to a massive, invisible data network. This chart tracks the rise of Google voice search queries since 2008. The sharp exponential upward trend starting around 2013 shows a permanent shift in behavior. We have moved from occasional voice commands to a world where talking to our devices is a primary mode of discovery. When we examine what users are actually looking for, the commercial intent is clear. 47% of digital assistant users are specifically searching for a local business, using their voice to navigate the physical economy. Voice search has established a conversational layer over our physical world. By speaking into the air, we are navigating a digital simulation of our surroundings that dictates where we spend our time and money. This is the classic Google homepage, the foundation of the keyword era. For decades, users typed fragmented phrases to receive a menu of 10 blue links, providing a wide range of choices to explore and evaluate. Modern voice assistants have removed this menu of choices. When you ask for a recommendation, the algorithm filters millions of data points down to 1 or 3 definitive answers. The software makes the selection on your behalf. The architects of this system, Google, Apple, and Amazon, now capture a total share of voice. They act as the sole gatekeepers between a user's question and a business's front door. In this new environment, visibility is binary. If a business is not the single answer selected by the assistant, it effectively vanishes from the digital search results. Powering these responses is NLU, or Natural Language Understanding. NLU is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to process and interpret human speech in context. This allows assistants to understand conversational queries that can reach 29 words in length. This degree of intent funnel shows how AI parses specific question phrases to determine user behavior. When a user asks a question starting with "where," the system recognizes a high degree of intent, flagging the user as ready to act immediately. Phrases like "near me" activate the system's geolocation beacon. The AI immediately marries the intent of the spoken query to the precise physical coordinates of the device. Modern NLU systems function as intent-driven tracking engines. They map spoken syllables to geographical data, turning a casual question into a precise navigation path for local commerce. Assistants use API mainlines to pull data from directories. Google Assistant feeds from Google Business Profiles and Maps. Siri cross-references Apple Maps with Yelp. Alexa gathers data from partners like Bing Places, Yext, and Foursquare. A local business is now defined by this complex data web. This established network of components shows how a company's visibility depends on consistency across dozens of external platforms. The complexity of this network creates a vulnerability: conflicting NAP data. NAP stands for name, address, and phone number, the 3 core identifiers that the AI uses to verify a business exists. If Yelp reports a closing time of 8 p.m., but Google reports 9 p.m., the collision of data creates a glitch in the simulation. To prevent sending a user to a closed location, the AI's protocol is strict. It erases the conflicting business from the search results and substitutes a competitor with verified, consistent data. Survival in this system requires a flawless digital twin. Every detail must be perfectly synchronized across more than 50 different directory and map platforms to maintain the AI's trust. Synchronizing these facts across the web is a requirement for digital visibility. Without absolute data consistency, a business effectively vanishes from the voice-first ecosystem. For total dominance in the search results, businesses use structured data, specifically schema markup. Schema is a specialized code added to a website that helps search engines understand exactly what the content represents. Schema provides a direct translation layer. It reformats physical details, like menus, accessibility features, and holiday hours, into JSON code. JSON is a standard text format used by AI to ingest and process structured information about the real world. When the digital twin is perfectly optimized, the simulation resolves into physical success. A voice query in a kitchen becomes a confirmed reservation and a successful transaction in the physical world. In the voice-first era, winning real-world customers requires building a flawless, synchronized digital twin inside the machine's simulation.